Hi guys, it's me, Miss Heretic. Today's story is 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe by Jane Cabrera. One, two, buckle my shoe. We're hiding on each page in this book. 4 naughty little chicks. Take a look. 3, 4, run out the door. Can you find the little chicks? Oh dear, you can still see me. Better hide behind this tree. 5, 6, do high kicks. Can you find the little chicks hiding? 7, 8, jump over the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. A quick hug from Mommy Hen. Now let's hide and do it again. 11, 12, dig and delve. Did you find the chicks? 13, 14, pigs a snorting. Is our food ready yet? Just a little bit longer, pet. 15, 16, in the kitchen. 17, 18, all awaiting. We're so hungry. What will the food be? I hope the dessert is just for me. 19, 20, it's a party. So much fun, giggles and glee. But where are those little chicks? Where can they be? Do you see them hiding somewhere? Rabbit says, close your eyes. Out pop the chicks. What a fun surprise. So where were these little chicks hiding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Party fun and food aplenty. Now count the balloons. 1 to 20. All done. See y'all later.